Hello Briggs artists. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gnome out of a sock and a water bottle and some other materials. So your gnome will look something like this when you are done. I have my water bottle. I have my sock. I have some material to use for the beard and for the hat, and I have a little rock for the nose. I'm going to start with my sock and just putting it over the water bottle like so. Okay, and then you'll need a rubber band to tie off the top of it, like so. Now if your sock is too long, you may have to trim the top of it. This one is not too long, so we're just going to leave it. And the hat will cover this up. The next step is to add your beard to the gnome. Okay, you'll have to trim it to the size that you want it to be. So I'm just going to cut a little bit off. And you save the extra for someone else to use. You're going to just glue it with your hot glue gun into place. Being very careful not to touch the hot glue. I'm actually just going to lay this right on top of it like so, and then bring these up on the sides. So now I've got my beard in place for my gnome. The next step is to give your gnome a hat. You can use these tracers that I've made, and you can just put it right into the corner of a piece of felt. Trace it with a pencil. And cut. Then you are going to put a few dots of hot glue along the edge. You're going to take this and just kind of roll it into place, matching the edges together like so. So that when you're done, your hat makes a cone shape. And it will fit right over the top of the bottle and the beard. Okay, again, you'll take your glue gun, do just a couple little dots of glue all the way around. Do not press down with your fingers so that you don't get hot glue on you. And then the last step is to put a little bit of glue on your nose, like so, and place that nose just right underneath the hat. And now you've got your little gnome, and you can add other things to him, give him accessories, whatever you would like.